Hey, this is Toby, and in today's video I want to discuss, is trading gambling? I've been a trader for a few years now and I think you will be surprised by my answer. Okay, let's go. Okay, so first of all, let's define gambling. So gambling is when you risk money to make more money, and the outcome of a bet is largely determined by random chance, so it's unpredictable. And there are many different forms of gambling, like sports betting or casino games like poker or blackjack, and there's also trading. Is trading gambling? So in my opinion, trading, especially short-term trading, is very close to gambling. Does this mean you can't make money with trading? No, absolutely not. But it means that trading is very difficult and you have to do certain things to be successful. And we talk about these steps in a few seconds. So we just need to ask ourselves who wins money and who loses money in gambling in the long term. So if we take a look at sports betting, for example, I would say 99% of people are losing money. On the winning side is the bookmaker. The bookmaker makes money. If we take a look at casino games, again, the majority of people loses money. On the other side, on the winning side, is the casino. The casino makes money. Okay, so as we already know, trading is very close to gambling. So to be profitable, we just need to copy the things the winning side does. So we just need to be on the right side. But what makes this group different from the majority of people who lose their money? Let's take a look at 3 major points, and in the end of the video I will also tell you what this means for your trading. Well, the first and most important thing is this group has a winning advantage over their counterpart. They have an edge, a mathematically verifiable advantage. For example, the casino has the 0 on the roulette wheel, and a betting provider simply subtracts a few percent of the probability of a certain outcome. So if you add up all the possible outcomes, for example loss, win and draw of a match, you will never get to 100%, and that's where the edge is. And all these groups can mathematically prove this edge, and in addition the advantage is large enough to cover all the costs to run a casino, to maintain a betting infrastructure. So an edge is really the first thing the winning side has and most of the people don't have. So the second point the winning side has is risk management. I know this sounds boring, but trust me, it's absolutely necessary. A casino, for example, knows exactly how much it can lose. And if a player keeps winning, they set like a stop loss. They just kick him out. And they don't wait and hope. If we let him keep playing, maybe we will win it all back after all. No, this guy is out. And they also set a limit for each table or the amount for a single bet. So the winning group has a proper risk management. And the third point is very simple. So they have an edge, they have proper risk management, and now they play these games as often as possible. So the casino does not want one player who bets $1 million. The casino wants 1 million players who each bet $1. Because they know they have an edge, and the more times a player plays, the closer the result comes to matching that edge. And this is called the law of large numbers. Okay, so now we know how and why it's possible to make money from gambling. So how can you now apply this to your trading? But before we do this, if this video is helpful for you, it would be nice if you just leave a like. So first of all, you need an edge. You need a strategy. Because you only want to open trades in specific situations. Only when you know your odds are better than just 50-50, because that would be gambling. And in trading, this is of course always related to the average loss and average win, because simply looking at the probability of winning doesn't make sense. But to find a strategy, to find an edge, you need to backtest. And how to backtest with MetaTrader 5, I've already made a video about this. It's a complete tutorial. I will link it up here. And next, just like the casino, you need risk management. How much can you risk per trade based on your strategy, based on your account size, or even your mental ability to handle drawdowns? And then of course you need a stop loss and so on. And the last point is, you need to find these situations over and over again, and you need to trade them. You need to exploit your edge. And this is how you make money in trading. Easy. And if you want to know how I develop strategies, how I find an edge in the market, I have created a playlist of videos for that right here. And if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to like the video. If you have a question, just write a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.